This video will show how to add an assignment Dropbox, plagiarism tool, and grading rubric in Desire to Learn. To begin, click the down arrow to the right of Assessment and select Dropbox. Then click New Folder. And we're going to title this folder Presentation 1. Then we're going to scroll down to find the originality check, which is under Evaluation and Feedback. Scroll down and click Manage Turnitin. Now to enable Turnitin, we have to enable grade mark first. And now we are able to check the originality check for this folder. We're going to allow the learners to see their Turnitin similarity scores. Then we're going to select more options. Now, when you select more options, you'll get additional options and you can see what is available. So we're going to go and generate reports immediately. It's available. And we would be able to allow students to view similarity reports, but this isn't giving us an option to check it. So we're just going to go ahead and hit submit for this demo. And then we're going to hit save. And as you see here, the integration is now turned on. So we're going to go back up here to the score out of box, and we're going to give this 20 points. We're going to sync it to, we're going to link this to the grade book, and we're going to click OK. And we're going to go ahead and give it a due date. And if we wanted to do additional weeks, we would hit save and just continue going, but we're going to go ahead and click save and close. Now, as you've seen, we could add a rubric under evaluation and feedback, but for this demonstration, we're going to go to course admin on the navigation bar, and then we're going to scroll down to rubrics. So under assessment, we're going to click rubrics. And as you see here, there is one that was in the process of being developed. If you wanted to select one that was already created, you could, go here under search options. If you wanted to create a new one from scratch, you could click new rubric. But we're going to go ahead and finish editing this rubric that's already in the works so you can see what is going on. So as you see, we have this bit of information already in the boxes. And for the new criterion, we're going to jump back over to our Word document. And it's really helpful if you already have your rubric information typed up. It'll save a lot of time. So we're going to go ahead and copy paste from the columns. And let's see. And you would keep doing this by adding, clicking the Add Criterion button. Then you would just keep going and going until you finish developing your rubric. But for this, we're just going to go ahead and close it out. And we're going to go ahead and add it to a particular grade item. So what we're going to do is click on Grades on the navigation bar. We're going to go down to select the grade item we can apply it to. So we're going to select this one here. And as we're looking over the information, We are looking for add rubric. So can't find it for that particular one. So we're going to click on this one. And you see where it says add rubric here. We're going to attach the rubric that's available. And we're going to select that one. And if we wanted to add additional ones, we would hit Save and New. But for this presentation, we're going to save and close. And as you see, it has been saved successfully. So this is the end of our presentation. As you see, Dropbox has been added. The plagiarism tool is now active, and there is a rubric attached to an item in the electronic gradebook.